Hello, my name is Eric Rahowitz, and I am the owner of Temp Pro Heating and Air Conditioning. We are a local and family-owned company that specializes in residential and commercial heating and air conditioning. We also specialize in commercial refrigeration for shops and restaurants. At Temp Pro, we take great pride in our quality of work, training, and customer-first attitude. We know that your time is valuable, and we make sure to arrive when we promise. Our vehicles are fully stocked so that we can resolve almost any issue on the first visit. We also have a very large supply of inventory on hand in our shop to help get you up and going as quickly as possible. For all of your heating and air conditioning needs, you need a pro. So make sure to call Temp Pro at 559-477-7377. Or you can visit us on the web at www.fresnohvacrepair.com. We are here to serve you. Make sure to ask about our Pro Club memberships, indoor air quality, Wi-Fi thermostats, and the advantages of new equipment.